Kolbe's folding doors provide elegant integration while blending indoor and outdoor living areas with one-sided or biparting operation in many configurations. An advantage these expansive doors offer is the ability to fold and stack panels together similar to an accordion. This creates massive unobstructed views as the panels stack securely against the sides of the opening. Unlike multi-slide and terrace-span lift and slide doors, folding doors use a single sill track regardless of the number of panels in the unit. This allows for easier installation in the home by eliminating the need for thicker wall conditions. To learn more about available sill types, watch our video about folding door sill options. Also unique to folding doors is the option for an access panel, which allows for convenient passage without moving all the door panels. Folding doors are offered in sizes up to 45 feet wide by 10 feet tall, with maximum panel sizes of 3 feet 3 inches wide by 10 feet tall. Every folding door comes with hinge handles and the option of adding finger pulls for easier operation. There are 2 different types of chute bolts to choose from and are available in various finishes. For a concealed chute bolt, there are 2 distinct styles to choose from, or you can choose the face-mounted flush bolt locking hardware. Access panels are able to utilize the wide range of swinging door handle styles that range from contemporary to traditional and are available in many beautiful finishes. For more information about folding door options and configurations, visit our website at kolbewindows.com.